I welcome back you to class. Today, I would like to discuss with you about 7th standard, Unit 1, Part B, Poem, The Town Child and the Country Child by Anne Thompson. As you guess it, about a child, those who dream about both in town life and country life.
I live in the town in a street. It's crowded with traffic and peace. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and peace. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lands. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and land. I live in the town in a street. It's crowded with traffic and peace. The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke every way that I go. The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke every way that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very near. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very near. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and peace. There is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There is plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. There is plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and peace.
We can see here a town child. Now, the town child, see here the town child is observing all the surroundings. It is full of trams, full of vehicles. It is busy with heavy traffic. Now, what will be the wish of a town child? I live in the town in a street. Just he is thinking. He said that he is living in a town in a street. There are buses and motors and trams. See how cleverly he is sharing. He observes buses, motors, and all the vehicles running by from morning till the late night. I wish there were meadows and lamps. He thinks that it would be better that if there is a meadow and lambs to see the nature. The town child is dreaming about the country life, about meadows and lambs. The houses all wait in a row. Here all the houses, apartments, duplex and complex houses are with almost crowdy appearance. So the town child wanted to see a country house which is away and enjoyable. Now he says that there is smoke everywhere that I go. We can see on the road it is full of smoke. We can see a factory, it is also with releasing smoke. We can see a chimney which is highly releasing the smoke. As it is town, it is common of industries, buses, cars, trams and all the vehicles. So we could see smoke everywhere. I don't like the noises I hear. It is the feeling of this town child. He did not like the life at all because he got bored of hearing all these sounds throughout the day, throughout the month, for the past about 6 years. It shows that he was in 7th standard. So for the past 6 years, he might be observing this. So he shares his ideas with us. I wish there were wood very near. Now you think the town child is thinking that if there is wood, if there is forest near, he would like to enjoy. There is only one thing that I love. Here, the town child likes only one thing. What it could be? That is, just you see in the picture, that is the sky beyond this building. And that is the sky far above. He did not like buses, cars, trams. He did not like apartments, houses. He did not like the crowd. He did not like bright stars. But only he likes the sky which is far above. There is plenty of room in the blue. The town child felt that there is happy, there is calm, quiet, enjoyment in the sky. For castles of clouds and me too. Just he dreamed about the life in the sky. The meaning here castle. Just it is about dreaming house. Just he felt that he would live in a castle. So he felt happy. Now just we look into the summary. The town child lives in the street full of buses, cars producing a lot noise and discharging smoke. The boy wishes to have meadows and lamps around, whereas the country child thinks about factories, all the buses, group of friends and bright stars, whereas the town child is thinking that only a meadow and lamps near. He hates those rows of houses filled with noise. He loves to have woods near. The only thing he loves in the town is the blue sky. He says that the sky alone has room for him and lots of clouds. See, the town child is very much irritated about the town's life. But he felt only one thing, that about the sky.